Hi guys, welcome to BRE. My name is Boston and today we're going to be reading about foxes, new nature's books. There's no person who wrote this, so we're going with nature books. Today we're reading page 4 to 10. On a cold winter's night, you sit at the edge of a meadow. You bring your hand up to your mouth and breathe through your fingers. You make a noise that sounds like an injured rabbit. You make the noise again, and then you sit and watch. Out of nowhere, an animal appears at the far end of the meadow. It is furry with a long, bushy tail. The animal looks around and then it disappears again. What could this creature be? It's a fox! This red fox, watching for food near its home on Canada's
Sound it out.
Anticosti Island. What do foxes look like? Foxes have triangle-shaped ears, pointy noses, and bushy tails. In fact, they look a lot small dogs. That's because foxes and dogs belong to the same animal group. They are both canids. Wolves and coyotes are canids too. All canids are warm bodies. Mammals that have fur-covered bodies and feed their babies milk. Foxes are known for their beautiful, thick coats. The color of fox's fur is very important. It helps the foxes hide. Many foxes are colored to look like the dirt and rocks around them. This is protective coloring is called camouflage. It makes the foxes very hard to see. The color of this swift fox's fur helps it blend in with the leaves and rocks near its home. Many foxes grow heavier to keep them warm in the winter. In the spring, they shed the extra fur and are left with a lighter summer coat. Sometimes their coloring changes a bit with the seasons, but
Start the sentence over. But the
Arctic fox changes color completely. This fox lives in snowy areas of the far north in winter. When the snow is on the ground, the fox is white to blend in. During the late winter and spring, it loses its coat and turns gray or brown. To match the ground, it turns white again in the fall. This Arctic fox has its winter coat. You can see how well it blends in with the snow. Are there different kinds of foxes? There are over 200 different kinds or species.
Start over. Slow down.
There are over 20 different kinds of species of foxes. They come in many different sizes and colors. They are found in almost every part of the world except Antarctica. Red foxes with their reddish fur and their darker legs are the most common and best known. They live throughout most of North America and the other parts of the world too. Gray foxes have shorter legs and gray fur. They're well known throughout the U.S. and Mexico. Arctic foxes live only in the far north. Swift foxes and kit foxes are smaller types from grasslands and deserts of western and North America. Fennec foxes of Africa, Sahara Desert are one of the smallest kinds. They weigh only 2 to 3 pounds, about 1 kilogram. You can see how this gray fox differs from the red fox on page 5. Okay, everybody, that's it for today. See you next time on BRE.